What is the deal, everybody out there? This is your man Frank Dutch right here, back at y'all with another video, man. And today I want to show you guys how to make a beat on the machine step by step. This is how you do it. When you say like you just bought a machine and all you have is the laptop or your computer or whatever and the machine hardware, the MK3 that we have right here. Before we get into it, man, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this video gonna be a banger right here. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Click them links down in that description too. I be having special stuff down there for y'all, man. Like, as a matter of fact, I got sounds for y'all. It's free sounds. Click the link that says free sounds and get you some of the free sounds, free plugins and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so when you first open it up, your screen should look like this. You got the master, the group, and the sound. You got your BPM right here, you know what I'm saying? And this is how the screen should look. Usually what I like to do, I like to immediately set the tempo. So I'll come down to where it says tempo right here. I'll make sure that that's selected and illuminated. And I'll use the jog wheel to change the tempo. So let's change it to around 90. And you can also change the tempo by tapping this button right here. That's the tap tempo button, you know what I'm saying? You can just boom, 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 boom. And as you see, the tempo changed to 94.66. So let's move it back down to 90. And you can also hold shift and the jog wheel to change the increments. All right, so once I've set my tempo and everything like that, usually I'll be picking sounds or sampling something into it. But like I said, all you have is the machine. So what I'll do is I'll hit the browser button right there, and that'll take me to this screen right here, where all of the different kits and everything is pretty much. Yeah, these arrows at the top up here allows you to change through the different categories, toggle through the different categories and stuff like that. You have groups, you got sounds, you got instruments, you got effects, and you have loops, and you have one shots, and you can come over here to change the different categories and the different types and everything like that. You can really fine tune your search, you know what I'm saying? So let's go over to groups because I want to load up a whole kit. So I'm gonna go to the machine. Those are the factory sounds. That's where all the factory sounds are. And we're gonna load up this 808 kit. You hit load like I did, and that loads up the kit. And now you have everything on the pad. All right, so once you get your sounds in, you can handle things in two ways from this point. One way, right? As you notice, you have 16 pads here. The 16 pads can represent 16 tracks, each individual sound. You got your snare here, your kick drum here, snare, so on and so forth, right? Or you can do it in groups. You can have unlimited groups. It has 8 here that's buttoned, but you can have unlimited amount of groups, I believe. And you can have kits, what these are, or sets of sounds or loops or whatever in the different groups, and make your beat that way, you know what I'm saying? Now, what we'll do just for this quick example, let's just use the 16 right here. Once you got your sounds in there, right, you hit shift, record. So we went over a little bit. So say like you just did that, what I did. You went over a little bit. You can go over to pattern, right? And you can change the length of the pattern to 4, and it'll automatically just loop back. So let's test it. You listening to it, you may hear that it's a little off. This is how we can fix that. Let's turn off the pattern mode right there. And you want to hit shift. And if you notice, it's little words on each of these pads. You feel what I'm saying? If you hit shift and any of these numbers, it'll do whatever you tell it. So we want to quantize. So we go to shift, quantize. Now let's listen to it. Hey. Hey. say like if I want to add some hi-hats, but I don't want them to be regular. I don't want it to just be, I don't want it to do that. I want to go crazy with it a little bit. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Check this out. So your hi-hat is right here, right? What you can do, you click this button right here, note repeat, right? And it's also the arpeggio button, right? Arpeggiator, excuse me. I can switch through the different timing structures right there. I can change that also using these knobs over here to a normal, and I can also change the timing, you know what I'm saying? So check this out. Now, but if you listen, it's velocity sensitive still. I don't want it to do that. If I hit this fixed volume right here, this fixed velocity, now it's the same. Now I can also record that. Check this out. Now, that's a little loud. I can mix the beat right here, right now, like level it out. I can add effects if I want to and all of that. Say like this the whole beat. That's all I wanted to do to it. And you can add stuff on the fly. I just decided to do this. Quantize that. Now, if you notice, right, when I quantized it, that last little hi-hat roll went away. That's because the master timing that's set on this thing is set to 1/16. So if I want to just affect everything except for the hi-hat, this is what I would do. First, we would select the actual sound that we want to affect. It's these two. So we go to keyboard after we selected one, then we hit quantize. Go back, hit quantize. So yeah, man, that's pretty much how you do it, man. This your man Frank Dutch right here. I hope this video helps you get started with this thing, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Click them links down in the description so you can get them free sounds that I got for y'all, man. Expand your library a little bit. You feel what I'm talking about? And it's free plugins up there too, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, go over there, get busy. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Peace.